Bacon in the air fryer just the way you like it. First things first, let's preheat the air fryer so when you put the bacon, the grate is already nice and hot. Here I have a pound of regular cut bacon. This is how thick my slices are. Yours may be thicker or thinner. And you're just gonna place them in your air fryer. You're gonna line them up. It's okay if they overlap because as they cook, the bacon is gonna shrivel up and there'll be plenty of room for the air to circulate. I'm cooking the bacon at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 6 to 8 minutes. In the last 2 minutes or so, I'm gonna check, and as you can see, it is sizzling. For me, this needs another couple minutes. If you like yours crispier, add a minute or two. This is all a personal preference. Now, for thick cut bacon, I find that you'll need 8 to 10 minutes. For regular, 6 to 8. For thin, right under 6. Check it out. This bacon is ready, is nice and crispy. So I'm going to take it out of my air fryer. One quick tip for easy cleanup to avoid all the grease is to use one of these paper liners and cook the bacon right on top. Of course, you can always save your bacon grease for later in a jar, and this is how I do it. The details on air fryer bacon are below this video. And by the way, I'm Laura Fuentes, and on my channel, I share all the kitchen skills that moms know, real life recipes, and the very best pancakes. Subscribe for more. See you next time.